Welcome to Professor Grampy's Garage. You know, I started on this thing yesterday and chipped about an inch worth of Bondo off the front of this, and just hit right across here, and I cut this bashed piece of metal out, picked up some steel, and cut and formed a new piece in here, and I'm getting ready to cut and form a piece for this triangle and fix this front end. I mean, it had tons of Bondo. You can see I left a little bit here, but we'll straighten this whole thing out and get it looking proper. Thanks for coming to the Professor Grampy's Garage, and we'll see you soon.